This is gonna look absolutely perfect. Wait, are you kidding me right now? These doors and drawers are too small. Why are outdoor kitchen doors and drawers so small and not like my real kitchen inside?
Take a good hard look at almost every luxury outdoor kitchen in America today. From a distance they look incredible, but look closer. Open the doors, pull on the drawers. Do you notice anything? They look miniature, like an afterthought. Do you want to know why? Because the entire outdoor grilling industry is still selling you components designed for old school, thick concrete blocks. They had to shrink the storage to half size just to make them fit. But you aren't building a concrete bunker. You're building an elite, modern, estate-using precision steel framing. For years, the structure evolved, but the components have stayed stuck in the past until now. This holiday season, BBQ Coach is completely rewriting the rules of outdoor living. Introducing End Zone BBQ Components, the world's first true, uncompromising architectural revolution for modern steel stud outdoor kitchens. We didn't just tweak the old design, we tore it up. We engineered something so massive, so revolutionary, it brings the exact scale, depth, and luxury of your indoor kitchen straight to your backyard. No compromises, no half efforts. We aren't showing the competitors our full hand just yet, but if you are planning a backyard build for late 2026 or early next year, do not buy a single door or drawer until you see what we've done, because once this drops, everything else on the market will instantly look obsolete. The era of the half-size outdoor kitchen is officially over. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop your email at the link below to join the exclusive VIP priority list. Be the first to witness the grand reveal this holiday season and step into the end zone.